In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sub-bullet points in Google Docs. Sub-bullet points are perfect for organizing ideas, breaking big topics into smaller parts, and keeping your document clean and easy to scan. Start by opening a Google Docs document. You can use a new blank document or an existing one where you want to tidy up a list. Once your document is open and your cursor is in place, begin with a regular bullet list. The easiest way is to click the bulleted list icon on the toolbar, then type your first item. Each time you press enter, Docs automatically creates the next bullet at the same level, so you can quickly build the main outline of your list. Now, to create a sub-bullet point beneath one of your main bullets, place your cursor at the end of that item and press enter to make a new bullet, then immediately press tab. That tab key indents the bullet one level, turning it into a sub-bullet. You'll see the bullet style shift slightly to indicate it's now nested under the item above. Type your sub-point and you're set. This simple enter then tab sequence is the core of building a structured list with multiple levels. If you want to create another sub-bullet at the same level, repeat the exact same move. Press enter to add the next line, then press tab to keep it indented as a sub-bullet. You can keep going to add as many related details as you need under that main point. The rhythm is straightforward. Type, enter, tab, and keep building your hierarchy with a smooth flow. When you're happy with the structure and want to customize how your bullets look, open the menu options and select the bullet style that fits your document. You'll see choices like simple dots, open circles, dashes, and other symbols. Pick the look that matches your tone, professional, casual, or visual. If you highlight part of your list first, the style change will apply just to that selection. Otherwise, it affects the current level you're working on. Consistent styling helps readers immediately understand the difference between main points and supporting details. To recap, open your document, start a bullet list, use Enter then tab to create sub-bullets, repeat Enter and tab to add more beneath the same heading, and finish by choosing a bullet style that keeps everything clear and consistent. With these steps, your list will be both organized and easy to navigate.